think of documentation as part of delivery. It's not a chore after the fact. It needs to be baked into the workflow. Every sprint, every review, every wrap up. Over time, it stops feeling like extra work and starts feeling like how great teams operate.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, and you hear me say this a lot. I'm like, thanks, Pastor Sharon. Because I love it when I do something like this and I say, oh, this would be easier if I had a little checklist, or this would be easier if I had a task card, or this would be easier. And I'm like, I'm just going to go write that up real quick. And then I drop it somewhere and I forget about it. And then the next time it comes around, I pull it up and I'm like, oh, that was nice of me. Right? Because what we really like is once we've got it, it doesn't have to be anything crazy and complex and complicated to be helpful. And so just by doing that little task, now I've converted that into something that is more systematic next time. And the next time I pull it up, I'm going to be like, hey, that's kind of cool.
You're right. Early on, we were talking about, how AI is being used against this. To be able to just, by default have, like we use Copilot, Microsoft technology, that is part of every Teams meeting. It's captured, the note taking there. And so when you can even pause and just say, hey, want to take note here. We need to change this step in our methodology, our process right here. The note taker captures it's right there. You can add it as you're reading later into the notes there. It's all captured. So when you go back and do the postmortem, you can run the AI to say, pull up any notes, any side conversations around this, the methodology, where are there opportunities to improve. It'll pick up on all the notes, on all the comments, all the side chats that were relevant to that topic, and say, here's 5 suggestions for how you can reduce the time for delivery on this methodology for the next project. So AI is changing the game here. Using Copilot, any other tools, there's a lot of different meeting AI tools, solutions that are out there. You can start to surface patterns across dozens of projects instantly. But the magic only works if the data exists. So AI can't learn what you never wrote down, what you never recorded. Mm-hmm. So there are just steps that you need to take to start automating there. So I love that. For calls to action, Sharon, I would say that first and foremost, capture those insights, record it, leverage AI. That's a great call to action to go. If you're not yet using AI for that purpose and thinking, oh, it's too expensive.
Dude, it's like one of the best things to get out of it. Best ROI you're going to find.
It's incredibly valuable there.